Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll act now, check your phone model and OS, then back up essentials so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, sign out of the Google or Apple account and note credentials. Make sure auto updates are off in the store. That prevents instant reinstallation. If you plan to use ADB or advanced tools, enable developer options and USB debugging now. This ensures you have control before uninstalling or disabling the YouTube app. You'll now remove the app step by step. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find YouTube, clear data, then uninstall or disable. Disabling prevents updates and hides it. On iPhone, press and hold the icon, choose Remove App or Offload App to keep data but remove the binary. Once done, make sure the app is not listed in your Purchased/Installed tab. If YouTube is a system app, use ADB commands or your company MDM to strip or block. You finish by preventing return. Set store restrictions or parental controls to block YouTube reinstallation, and remove saved login credentials from the device. Once done, check for residual shortcuts and remove them, then reboot the phone. If YouTube reappears, clear the Play/App Store cache, uninstall updates, or reinstall, then disable immediately on Android. If anything goes wrong, re-enable developer options and use ADB to inspect packages. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.